Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Now we are going to be doing a sausage recipe for you, and there I'm going to be showing you how to cut the sausage. We'll demonstrate with the one sausage there. You have to cut diagonal slices about a ½ inch. And we'll just complete the slicing of the first sausage. We have about 5 there, so you can get an idea as to how you're to slice them. Okay, you get the idea. Moving on. There we have the bell pepper or sweet pepper, and you're gonna slice it like so. Yes, into strips, just like so. Moving on, and then you're gonna cut a half of a medium onion into thin slices, not too thin, not too thick, just like that. And you're gonna add some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, to the pot, and then add the sausages.
Anything like this.
And then you're gonna let them, ooh, look at the pot started to dance, and then it's splattered. Anyways, let's start a trade off with you. Yes, cook up the sausages till they're brown like that, nice and brown, and then you add the onion and let the onion fry up until it is translucent, just like that, and the fragrance is just popping. Yes, then you add your bell pepper or sweet pepper, and then you stir. Yes, we're multitasking. We're going to be having some fried dumplings with it. Oh my goodness, look at that pot again, just dancing. I thought I had to just share that with you guys. It was so neat, just so comical. The pot was just dancing away. Anyways, let's get back to the cooking. You add some black pepper there. Yes, and then you're going to add a generous amount of ketchup of choice. A generous amount, and then you stir, and then now we're gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. That gives it a little bit of kick, put a oomph in it. Yes, and now we're gonna be plating our breakfast meal. It's the fried dumplings going in there. And then we're gonna be plating up that delicious sausage. Yes, it is so tasty. It's for me to say and for you to find out for yourself. Go ahead, cook it, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please share my videos.